Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're just going to be going into a short video on the Olsa Tools 3-pound dead blow. Part number is going to be 1274. Here's the hammer itself. This hammer is made in Taiwan. It's got a steel shot head. Inside you're going to have a lot of steel pellets. It's got a polyurethane head on it. It's got some nice molding to it. Depending on the dead blow that you get, cheaper ones tend to have a little bit larger pellet size and it's not as good at rebound resistance, or you'll have a cheaper shell which tends to crack or break easier. On the inside, got a steel construction, all steel construction that holds the pellets or BBs. As far as the dimensions, it's going to be 14.5 inches long, 5 inches wide up here at the head, and then here it is going to be roughly 2 3/8 inches wide across the face. Got a solid steel shaft that runs down the handle, and then at the bottom of the handle, instead of having like your cheaper dead blows, they'll have a square cut handle and it's got real sharp corners to it, or it'll be rounded but it's still the same material as this, and if it's not textured at the bottom, it can be extremely slippery. So like this hammer, if it was this texture down below, I would end up throwing this thing across the shop on accident, because this, even though it is lightly textured, it is still extremely slippery. So I am really glad that it is a rounded handle, plus it's a rubberized diamond grip, so you can see that there, and it is very comfortable, and being rubber, it's got a lot better grip than this polyurethane, so that is a nice touch as well. So where a dead blow comes in handy is when you're working with something that you really need to move, but you're not trying to damage that item or whatever you're working on, and you're not trying to have a lot of rebound, and that's where the steel shot really comes in handy. Two of the most popular hammers used today, I would say, especially in the automotive field, is a dead blow and a dead blow ball peen hammer. Two of my most commonly used hammers. Besides that, it would be my rubber mallet. So what I'm going to do next is just kind of try and do a slow motion video of this ball peen hammer dropping from either a 45-degree angle or a 90-degree angle, so you can see the rebound of it. Then I'll do the rubber mallet, same angle, and then we'll drop the Olsa Tools hammer just so you can kind of see the rebound or the movement of the hammer when it strikes a surface. I'll try and slow that down so you guys can see that, but if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts. If you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and let's see how this rebound video goes.